2, 1, start. A court is a place where a person, no matter from which caste, from which religion, feels to have justice for his her unjust suffering. Indian judiciary is always known for its right and fair judgment. But what if the person has to wait for a longer period of time just to attain justice? Will that delayed judgment make any remarkable change in the life of the victim? Indian judiciary stands as an ideal pillar for people, not only for enforcement of laws but also for providing justice to each victim. The legal maxim justice delayed is justice denied can be completely related to the present scenario of our country, as according to the reports presently there are 4.4 crores cases left all over India, which is really a sign of danger for our Indian judiciary. Seeing this record can break a person's belief from judiciary, because whenever a crime occurs, a court is believed to stand for the justice of the victim. The value of time is respected in profession, but the delayed judgments completely show that there is no importance of time in judgments of court. The biggest example of justice delayed is Nirbhaya case, which was 3-judge bench judgment headed by Justice R. Bahumati and other judges Justice Bhushan and Justice A.S. Bopanna, where all 4 men were convicted for the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape case and murder case, were finally hanged 7 years after brutal crime. It is not only the rape cases which take great time for judgments, but also the cases with religious prospects even have taken a great time, and the best example for this statement is the verdict in the Babri Masjid demolition case, as the court took 28 years to announce the final verdict. It is absolutely correct that to have a fair judgment, a fair trial must be conducted, but taking 7 years or 28 years for finally punishing an accused or for finally announcing a verdict, how can be termed a judgment done on time? A judgment is only termed an effective judgment when it is done under a fixed interval of time. Talking about the present situation, the crime rate in India is presently increased to 383.2 in 2020 according to National Crime Report. And one of the reasons of increase in crime rates can be the delay in the court judgment, and within the particular period of time either the accused gets bail or the victim has to wait for justice. The other bad cause of late judgment of cases is the person who has been identified as accused by police but not proven guilty by the court due to the late but fair judgments. Sometimes it happens that they are termed as non-guilty or innocent, but the time period of the judgment extended too long that their future goals and reputation all goes in vain. Stop.